Today's recipe is a barbecue burger casserole. Super easy to make, tummy warming, perfect for a cold January evening like we're having in the Low Country. Come back and I'll show you how to make this super easy, delicious recipe. Hi, my name is Debbie Covington. I'm a chef, caterer, cookbook author, and food columnist. I live on Ladies Island in Beaufort, South Carolina with my husband Vince and our cat Belle. I've been serving delicious food to fabulous people for close to 30 years. This is my trusty sidekick, Susan Deloach. Susan is a photographer, good friend, and all-around creative talent. Over the years, we've joined forces on catered events, food columns, cooking classes, and published a cookbook together. Cooking videos are our new project. Welcome to our pretend cooking show. Cheers! Today's recipe is adapted from my first cookbook, Dining Under the Carolina Moon, which is no longer in print. So keep your eyes open for this if you're ever in a used bookstore, or maybe even check on Amazon. Sometimes people have used copies for sale. Anyway, it's a great little cookbook. This recipe today is really great for cooler weather. It's a little nippy in the Low Country in January, and it's a barbecue burger casserole. It's a little different from your normal burger casserole that has tomato sauce, like spaghetti sauce. It actually has some barbecue sauce. And I've gotten it started, and it's real easy to put together, so let me show you what I've done. First of all, I've cooked 2 pounds of ground beef with 1 medium onion. And I've cooked it in a dry frying pan. It'll make enough grease by itself to cook the onions, so don't add any extra oil to it. You're just adding fat and calories that you don't need. This has been drained very well on paper towels. And now I'm going to start mixing it for the casserole. 2 pounds sounds like a lot of ground beef, but if you think about it, a 1/4 pound of burger, this will feed about 8 people, so that's about right. And I have 8 ounces of white egg noodles cooking in my pot. I just need to drain them, and I'm going to add them to the meat mixture. I'm going to let these finish draining for just a minute while I add the rest of the ingredients to the hamburger mixture. It's 1 block of cream cheese, softened, 8 ounces of sour cream. Stir this right in. 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. Get all the ketchup out. 3/4 of a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. This is a sweeter barbecue sauce. I wouldn't go for the vinegar and pepper stuff. You kind of want like Kraft, Sweet Baby Ray's, something like that. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Get this out of my way a bit. Okay, we're going to mix all of this together. To incorporate it well, I'm going to add the hot noodles in. This was 8 ounces of noodles, and they're cooked al dente. And the hot noodles will help actually with melting some of the cream cheese if it's cold in your kitchen like it seems to be in mine this morning. Our last ingredient is 3/4 of a cup of chopped green onions. We just want to get all of the noodles covered with the meat sauce. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to spray a 2-quart baking dish with a lid because we're going to cover it when we bake it. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees. I'm going to add the mixture Try not to spill it all over the place. To the bowl. Get it all in there evenly. Oops. At this point, if you have any extra around the edge, I'm going to wipe it off so that it doesn't burn. Get this in here, and I'm going to top it with about 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Get it all the way to the edges. Pop the lid on. Pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and we'll be right back. The casserole's out of the oven, and it's cooked all the way through. We just need to garnish. The garnish is a strange garnish, but it's really good. It kind of sets the casserole apart. But it's chopped dill pickles. You can use a dill pickle relish, which is what I'm doing, cheating a little bit. And that just kind of makes your casserole. Do a quick taste. Everything's melty and gooey. Very beefy. Noodles are good, not overpowering with the dill pickle. Delicious, great for a family supper with some crusty bread. Hope you enjoy it. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.